Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to enable Raise Wrist to Wake on your Samsung Galaxy Watch. This feature allows you to wake up your screen just by lifting your wrist. Let's get started. First, unlock your smartwatch and open the Settings app. Scroll down and look for the option called Display and Brightness or something similar, depending on your device. Inside this menu, find the Raise Wrist to Wake or Wake on Wrist Raise option. Tap on it and make sure to turn it on. Now simply raise your wrist to test if the screen wakes up automatically. If it does not work, check if your smartwatch has battery saver mode enabled, as this can sometimes disable the feature. And that's it. Now you know how to enable Raise Wrist to Wake on your smartwatch.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.